If your child has ever been told they need a space maintainer, this is what they are. So it's a little piece of metal that goes around an anchor tooth, and then we have a little bit extra metal, and it's gonna kind of hold that space for that permanent tooth to come in. So this is if we have to remove a baby tooth before the permanent tooth is ready to come in, like this example. So we have the round part. This one actually has a stainless steel crown on it. With the space maintainer, it's gonna hold that gap as the permanent tooth comes in. And the reason why is because if we don't have it, sometimes the tooth behind it will kind of shift forward and won't have enough space anymore for this permanent one to come in anymore. So it's important to keep that space so we have enough width for the permanent tooth to eventually erupt when their age comes. Because really, they're gonna keep these baby molars until they're a lot older. 12, 10, 11, depending on the kid. But we wanna make sure we have good width for the permanent tooth to come in. And if we're losing this baby tooth at a young age, it's just not gonna have space anymore.